Windows 10 come with a lot of feature and option, and as well as it has some major and minor problems. So in this video we will discuss how to fix Action Center not working or does not open properly in Windows 10 PC. This is the Action Center. It's not working, so I will show the easy stuff first. Yeah, it's really easy. So just go to right click on your taskbar and then click on Task Manager. Here you need to scroll down, just find Windows Explorer, just select it and then restart it. It's very simple. Yeah, in most of cases this will fix your problem. So this is the first option. Now try to open your Action Center, close this. Okay, so if it's not working, if you are facing problem, go with the second option. Here go to start and type PowerShell like this, Windows PowerShell. Open this. Here just copy and paste this code. I have given this code in my video description, so just copy and paste here and hit enter. This will re-register your Action Center. Okay, so your second option. Hopefully this will fix the problem. If you are not happy with this option or your Action Center not working properly, you can go with the third option. Third option is just open the run command by pressing Windows R. Here you need to type this. Okay, don't type this. I have given this code also in my video description. Just copy and paste this code in run command and hit enter. Okay, so here we need to take the folder option. Okay, view and show hidden file and folders and apply. We got one file here, user class.dat. We need to rename this file. So after class, just you can add old like this. So this is third method. Hopefully this will fix your problem. If you have still issues, you can ask me in comments. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.